Since its foundation in 1979, the JYSK Group has been amazingly successful. The European market leader for bed, bath, and living room items knows what to invest in. For more than 100 million euro, the company had Denmark's largest distribution center built in Uldum. A company with royal interest.
Selve projektet startede i 2004, kom på vores tegnebord på det tidspunkt.
We first contacted SSI Schäfer in 2005 to inquire if they're interested in being one of the bidders, and fortunately they said yes. In 2006 we then agreed that it will be SSI Schäfer who should provide JYSK with a solution. It was a long and eventful process. This was partially due to the fact that we have many special regulations in Denmark, among other things concerning fire prevention requirements and working ergonomics. Together with Schäfer, we were able to find a solution that takes into account productivity, working ergonomics, and also the many other very strict safety requirements that we have here.
En løsning som både tilgodeser produktivitet, arbejdsmiljø og så de mange meget strenge beredskabskrav som vi har.
The furniture giant has a clear vision. Centralize distribution and delivery. Maximize availability and quality. Minimize storage and personal cost. And this is the answer given by SSI Schäfer, the general contractor. After a building phase of only 12 months, the new complex encompasses an area of 65,000 square meters. 3 high bay warehouses with a height of 40 meters each and 2 automatic small part storage systems offer storage room and mass. The clue, the new storage system works on 2 levels: goods receiving, goods issuing, stretch wrapping, horizontal positioning, palletizing of boxed goods, pallet check and exchange, as well as storage and retrieval movements from the high bay warehouse for picking are done on ground level. 1 electronic monorail per HBW takes care of transporting source pallets to and from the vertical transfer position. Via additional passageways, carriages and pallets are exchanged between the 3 warehouses. Partial pallets can be transported to hold positions so that they can be used for picking again later. Initial storing of pallets in the HBW storing and conveying of the mini-load, as well as depalletizing and picking, is done on the elevated level. Automatic vertical conveyors and scissor-type lifting tables handle vertical movements. During depalletizing, small parts for the mini-load are transferred to single-layer trays from 2 source pallets. After removal of each layer, the employee can move the pallet to an ergonomic working height by pushing a button. In the draft, SSI allowed for a possible extension from now 2 to 4 workstations. The trays are stored in the automatic small part storage system and released for picking according to demand. Picking of the orders is done from 3 source pallets and 8 source trays to 2 destination pallets at a time. A scissor-type lifting table lowers complete pallets back to ground level. The control of all warehousing and pick processes is done by the warehouse management software designed by SSI Schäfer. Due to the 2-level design of the warehouse, SSI Schäfer achieved maximum efficiency on minimum space. The rational automation increased productivity enormously and will also meet future demands in the long run. The experience of working with Schäfer was very positive. We are of the impression that SSI Schäfer is a very user-oriented supplier who understands that it is not all about contractual details, but that solutions for problems that arise along the way can be found through a give-and-take cooperation. It is not often that we encounter foreign suppliers who understand the way JYSK wants to handle things. However, we are of the opinion that it worked out very well here. Customized logistics for today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. Your logistics specialist, SSI Schäfer.